So today we're going to be exploring how to update Hermes, and currently I'm running Hermes on a Docker and I'm running version 0.11.0 and we're going to be upgrading to the latest version. So how do you find which is the latest version? Basically you go into their GitHub repo and then let me go to the main page, and then you go into the releases right here, you click it, and then here you want to copy this version basically. So the way I do it is, let me exit out of Hermes. Oops, let me just Control C. Okay, now that I am inside the repo, which I've already cloned before, this time I'm going to load all the tags and upgrade to the latest version. So how do I do that? Basically, the way to get all the tags are to do git fetch -- tags. That's going to download the latest tags, and then okay, perfect. Now we have to change to this latest tag. Let me make sure on the website. Yes, that's the latest tag. We're going to change to this latest tag. Okay, so we're going to change to this tag. So the way to do it is to do git checkout and then you paste that tag. And right now we only change the tag, so we get the latest code, but our Docker is still running the old version of Hermes. So if we go into Docker, you'll see it here. Here you'll see that Hermes is still running the old version. So we have to destroy this one and create a new one and then start it, and then we'll have the new version of Hermes. So let's do that step next. An output here. Okay, so the way you would do it is, the first thing you would do is docker stop Hermes, because that's the name of the container that I used last time. So it's going to stop. Then we have to remove it. So docker remove Hermes. Once it's removed, now you can go into your Docker and you'll see that it's gone, no longer there. So now we're going to start the build. So we're going to do docker build -t Hermes agent, and then here you can put the number of the tag, but I normally always put latest because I always upgrade to the latest. So you can call it whatever you want. So now we have to wait for the build process to finish, and this is going to take some time. So once it's over, then I'll let you know what are the next instructions, which are quite easy. Hey guys, so the process finished, and basically now let me clear the terminal. So now we have to start the Docker again, and the way to do that is, so basically the way I initiate the Docker is that I run this command, and here I add the name so that Docker can identify the name, and I put this flag for restart so that it doesn't stop. It's basically always running. And then here, this is the volume I mount. So basically this is inside my Mac, and this is gonna mount a shared volume with the container right here. And then these ports, I use them for different things, for like local web development and things like that. This port, I believe, it's a Hermes port, so this one you have to put it. And then this one you can ignore. This is just a local LLM that I use sometimes in Hermes. So then I write Hermes agent gateway and then run. So let's start it this way. Now that it's started, how do I initiate the actual terminal? So the way to initiate the actual terminal command would be basically, and before we do that, I'll show you on the Docker. It should be showing up here. It's right here. It's on. And now I'm going to actually use the terminal of Hermes. I do it with this command, docker exec it Hermes, opt, and then .env. And as you can see, now we have the latest version, and now we have all the new features with the latest version. And that's it. That's how you upgrade Hermes. Now I'm going to try out all the new features that they pushed, and we'll see. Thank you so much.